Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. On this video, we are just wanting to show you guys what we pack and prepare for our Disney trip.
Yep. Disney cruise, we pack a little bit different than we would do on another cruise, but probably about maybe 2/3 of the stuff's going to be about the same. But with Disney, you do have pirate night. You got to dress up and go all out for pirate night. And so we just got a little bit of that Disney spaz to go on with this cruise. But here's some of our layout that we have. We always got to remember Lauren's food. It does take up a lot of space and it is heavy. Usually we can get it pretty close where we're not over the 50 pounds. But if we are over the 50 pounds, most airlines are pretty willing to let this one slide at no additional cost, just because we do got to bring her food and it is heavy.
And medical supplies.
Yep.
So we have, of course, we have formal night. So
You should be modeling this one out, hon.
Yeah. So we do not have the boys bring tuxes. We just have them bring their normal, like, suit and tie for formal night. And then for the rest of the time, I find that it's super easy just to have a dress. Because it packs small and it's easy just after we've been at the pool all day. It's just something, go back to your room, shower, get ready, and just throw on a dress and you're ready to go.
And it's super comfy too, because we do the early dining. We've always enjoyed the early dining. We have done late dining before. But here at home, we have always eat dinner earlier. So even to wear that's something comfy that you can wear to the shows after. We always go to the shows and the plays after. She loves comfort.
Yes, I do.
She's all about comfort.
Yep.
And so something like this is nice and comfortable for her, and it's comfortable for her just to lounge around in.
Yep. And it has pockets, so it's easy. What I do is I generally will take these and the inside part of the fabric and cut a hole so it's easy to access for my port. The next thing is, of course, you've got your swimwear. We pretty much live and we get up, we throw on our swimsuits sometimes, or we'll just quickly get up, go to breakfast in our jammies, and then come back, throw on our swimsuits, and we're in it until it's ready for us to get ready for dinner. And then can't forget your swimsuit cover-ups.
Yeah, so like when we go to breakfast, majority of the time we'll put our swimming suit on. The girls will put their swimming suit cover-up on. I usually have a rash guard, and I just wear hybrid shorts. We go to breakfast, either go to the breakfast, get off the ship to go to the port, or if it's a sea day, we just go lounge around at the pool, go ride the aqueduct, swim, or go do whatever their festivities around the ship. But usually we're just wearing that because it's comfortable. It's not too hot. Usually you're hot out on the cruise. So it just fits all of our needs for the most part.
So next thing we have, your door magnets. You guys, we love to decorate our doors. And so many people do, and it's so fun to see everyone's door decorated. And
this ship lights up. So you can go on here. I could hit the light so you can see it a little bit more. So at nighttime we could kind of light it up, just to illuminate, or you could leave it on all the time. It just takes 3 AA batteries that just load in here. We might take a few extra batteries because I don't know how long they're going to last. This is our first time with this. Let me hit the other light. I'll turn it off. One other thing too, just go on, we're not going to show it to you guys, but like regular clothes, casual clothes, we don't need to show you. Everyone just has whatever casual clothes you need to wear. We're not going to show you that.
Just don't overpack, because I promise you, being in your swimsuit all day and then having a good cover up, you really don't have to worry about changing unless you're, like to swim for a little bit and then go change, during the day, then bring an outfit, but don't overpack. Everyone does.
I do have, I'm gonna put these in there. I do have like this type of style, maybe for like a cruise casual. This is nice to have to go to dinner. It's really lightweight, doesn't take up much room. So if it's hot, humid, you breathe in there. It's really nice to have as well. So I just have that. Obviously, hybrid shorts, rash guard swim shirt that I wear. And then like I'll have the suit and tie that I'll wear for like a formal night or semi-formal. But cruise casual, I'll just do that, or I'll just wear like a polo shirt, something that's really easy with that. Going on, again, sunglasses, hats, I do recommend. This hat that Lauren has is really cool because she could undo it and it rolls right up and doesn't take much space.
And it doesn't damage the hat.
Yeah.
So
I like, I just got this new Matt's Off-Road Recovery hat, but I like the trucker style hats. Just breeze, doesn't keep your head too hot. That's what I always wear, is the trucker style hats with the mesh on the back. But yeah, sunglasses, hats, of course sunscreen. She loves the sun bum. I don't really care, but yeah, we have a few bottles. We got a family of 5 we're going. And then we have this as well that you can put on your face.
I love and highly recommend getting the sunscreen stick because it's so much easier to put on, and your kids don't freak out. Also, don't forget your charging ports because it makes it so nice to have multiple ones. So you're not...
Because in most rooms, on most cruise ships, I guess we've only been on Royal and Disney, but you only have maybe 2 to 3 of the American style outlet. But they usually have 1 or 2 of these European style outlets. So you plug in this, now you got a whole bunch of other, plus USB. This one is multiple, like you could have more different options. But then it has the cord on there that lays flat. So I think on Disney's they have 2 of the European style. So we're gonna be able to plug this in because we have all the GoPro batteries that we need to charge up, plus our phones, Apple Watch. We do have teenagers, so you probably got AirPods. They're planning on going to the kids club, or not kids club, teenager club, to listen to their music or whatever they want to do in there. We just ordered these off Amazon. You're like $20-30. This will be the first time using this one. I'm really excited about the cord, but we have had this one, and it's been a lifesaver.
Yep.
Obviously, luggage tags. You want to remember those. Your documentations, passports, your credit card. I always usually have my driver's license on, but once we get on the boat, I just usually put all that stuff into the safe, unless I need it when we get off port.
Yep. And just to let you know, if you do forget your luggage tags, it's okay because when you get to the port, they do have backup tags that you just put your name and your reservation number on, and then you'll be just fine. Because I did do that the last time.
Yeah, and then just because I know Royals, I don't know how Carnival or the other cruise line, just Royal and Disney. Royal, you have to print out the paper at home, and you either have to fold it up and put like tape or staples over it, or we have ordered things off of Amazon, which is Royal's luggage tags, where you can just slide the paper into there. Disney actually mails you these. They do tear apart, and then you just like a tag at the airport when you go and check your bag in at the airport. It's just sticky on there, so you remove that, and they do stick together. So Disney does send you that, just so you know on that. And then one of my favorite nights, Pirate Night! So you gotta remember your pirate gear. We're one of the extremists. We get all decked out. I would say most cruises, Disney cruises that we've been on, probably a little bit more than 50% of the people actually dress up. But most of the other people, they'll just do like a pirate shirt. We're kind of like this. I'm not going to show you this fully because it will come in, but just where you all have matching shirts, those are going to be our matching shirts for when we get onto the cruise, which you guys will see later on. So yeah, you got to have all your pirate gear. I mean, we got rings, bracelets, bandanas, wigs. I mean, we got
fake tattoos.
Yep, fake tattoos. We got face paint. We got black lipstick. We got the whole shebang. So.
And our kids love it. They look forward to this more than anything.
Yeah. And then we also do have.
So these bands are great because when you're on the lounge chairs with your towel.
Or you could flip people with them.
No.
So if people get out of line.
No.
No.
You put those over your towel and it is so nice.
Because if you're on the top deck, it does get windy, especially at sea days. And so if you go get up, your towel could blow away. This will hold your towel right onto the launch chair. Or if you're at like Castaway Cay, Disney's private island, if there's a little bit of a breeze there and you want to lay your towel down, this will keep your towel right on the lounge chair as well. So this is another thing we do recommend. We have this travel toiletry. It's not fully loaded right now. We just got our few random things in there. But it does have a hook, so you can hook it up and hang, and then it just folds all up, and really you can kind of put it away.
We love to now see Disney. We absolutely love their lotion, their shampoo and conditioner. So some of the time we don't. We won't pack our shampoo and conditioner because it's great on the Disney cruise as well as where we're staying at True by Hilton. But we love to
like
get
they had good conditioner and body wash.
Yeah, at True by Hilton. Yeah. So we get, travel size of everything, and it's a 10 hair products that we would need. And
then we do bring, I like the full face masks. I know there's different opinions out there on that, but we like these full face masks. So we do usually bring these with us to go snorkeling. So if you're going to the beach, or like we'll be going to the beach at Castaway Cay. I don't think we're planning on any of the other ones, so we will bring those there. So going out and snorkeling, I snorkel better with the full face mask.
Yeah.
Another thing I do recommend bringing on, I love fanny packs. Fanny packs are nice, convenient. I hate when I'm at Disneyland, Disney World, I always have the backpack and it just gets tiring. I'm on the cruise. So if I needed something to carry around a couple other little things, I just go with the fanny pack. I put my phone in there, you can put your key card. There's not really extra, if you need, this isn't sprinkles, but sometimes I bring sprinkles on. Well, I can put my sprinkles in there, so when I go get my soft served ice cream, I can put my sprinkles on the ice cream, and I got sprinkles, and I'm not trucking them around, but I love fanny packs. That's another thing we do. I recommend. And then also backpack for when we are flying. I do bring my backpack. I keep tissues, lotions, wet wipes, sanitizer. We got our headphones for our phones and for the TVs, the jacks on there. I usually always keep like the luggage tag documentation in here, passports. Once we leave our car at the parking lot, I'll put my keys in here, so everything's just basically in the backpack. But once I get on the cruise, again, I take whatever's important out of that, put it in the safe, and then put this in one of the suitcases and slide it underneath the bed. But that basically covers the gist of what we bring onto the Disney cruise. Shoe-wise, we don't have it out there just because it's kind of thing, but we usually bring flip-flops, maybe a sandal if you don't like flip-flops, like a water sandal or wet socks, water socks. I would recommend bringing a nice dress shoe for if you're going to dress up, and then just a tennis shoe. I don't think you need to bring multiple pairs of whatever unless you want to color coordinate. Again, it's really easy to overpack for the cruise. We've done it several times where we've overpacked and we've only used half of the stuff that we brought. Just remember you're going to be having fun and relaxing. Yeah, you're going to dress all up, but yeah, if you bring like a neutral color sandal, tennis shoe, you can basically wear it with all the outfits. But this is what for adults. We are going to do another video of what we pack for our kids as well.
All right, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.
And make sure you subscribe.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.